AI copilots are assistants embedded inside the tools people already use. They don't replace the user, they accelerate them. Microsoft 365 Copilot across Word, Excel, Outlook, Teams, PowerPoint. GitHub Copilot, code completion, chat, and pull request reviews. Google Gemini for Workspace, Docs, Gmail, Sheets, Meet. Salesforce Einstein Copilot or Agentforce, CRM workflows. Notion AI, Slack AI, Zoom AI Companion, collaboration tools. Adobe Firefly or Photoshop AI, creative tools. Draft and edit, AI drafts, human edits. Summarize and act, AI condenses, human decides. Explore options, AI proposes alternatives, human chooses. Quality check, AI critiques the human's work. They meet users where they already work, require zero context switching, and the human stays in control. List workplace tools you use weekly that already have an AI copilot. For each, note one task it does well and one task you would not trust it with yet.